Guys, we noticed that there are some mealybugs, and now Khaleesi's checking the other plants. And I don't know what the hell this is. What do we do? I'm spraying this whole plant down. Like, what is this? What is that brown shit? I'm literally gonna pluck them one by one. No, she's literally infecting my plant. I'm gonna explode. Okay, I'm gonna go through each leaf and pluck these little, whatever they are, out. Khaleesi's checking the Monstera. Oh, you're in the way, Bubble. Guys, we turned around and she was doing this, I swear to God. She noticed that we were checking the plants and then we turned around and she had the phone in her hand. Oh, I don't see it. Alright, we need to check the Monstera, seriously. I don't know.
No, she's fine. Let's take it.
Okay, let's take her out of here and quarantine this. And on another note, so cute. We had to take this moss pole out of the pothos here, the golden pothos. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna throw up. Alright guys, so upon checking here, my mom noticed that there are these.
Oh meu Deus.
There are several diseases on this plant right now.
Não, meu telefone você tá derrubando ele, você quebrar ele, pronto, acabou.
I'm gonna spray it.
You can check it. Vovó vai te dar uma luzinha pra você checar.
Oh meu Deus. She was checking the plants with the phone, with the light. She noticed that we were checking the plants and she had to do it too. Okay, I'm gonna spray it down. I literally brought these. This to put in the soil after. This. And this. Oh, it's okay, Choo-Choo. Vava's not mad. Vava, you're not mad, right? Yes, honeybee. Yeah, Vava had to take your phone her phone because you were dropping it.
You know what? I got something else for you. Wow.
I don't know what bugs these are. And also, I noticed one behind this leaf, so I'm going to spray it too. I'm also going to spray all the back of the leaves. I'm going to spray it. Let's check the other leaves. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the leaf in your face. Ugh, they're literally everywhere. Guys, please tell me what bug this is. I'll probably just search it online, but I've never seen this. It's only on this beautiful and huge tropical plant that I have. What's this called again? Got a brain fart.
There's a paradise?
Bird's paradise, yeah. Okay, it didn't spread to the Monstera, and we're also gonna spray all the plants here and put mosquito bits in all the plants here. Guys, I'm gonna pick these off. See? I don't know. What the fuck is this? Ew, Mom, what is this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got this and a paper towel. So we just gotta make sure Khaleesi doesn't touch this paper towel. Ew. That's definitely a bug.
It is.
I told you. Actually, you told me. Oh my God, you told me. All right, so Mom's wiping them off. We're doing a final check. I'm gonna put some worm castings, not worm castings, mosquito bits. Found a seat over here. I think that's it.
So pretty.
I'm so upset.
Don't be. She's fine.
When you, okay, well, we're gonna check all the plants we're gonna put mosquito bits in all the plants, like I said. She's not happy there anymore.
Oh, she needs water.
I'm going to end this video here. Just a quick one. I even made a little short about it before too. I was literally freaking out. All right, guys. Say bye, Kiki.
Bye, Kiki.
Oh no, you're Kiki. Say bye.
Bye.